Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious chocolate ganache without heavy cream or chocolate. So now let's get started. Into a clean saucepan, we'll pour in half cup of liquid milk. We'll also add 3/4 cup powdered sugar, and if you don't have powdered sugar, you can make use of granulated sugar plus 1 teaspoon of corn flour, just like I did. Then we'll also add half cup dark cocoa powder and stir until well dissolved. Don't worry if it's a bit lumpy at first, it will dissolve as you continue stirring. As the mixture thickens, we'll add about 1/3 cup unsalted butter, that's about 70 grams thereabout. Keep on stirring until well dissolved. Now the ganache is ready, we'll let it cool to room temperature. Finally, you pour generously over your cooled cake and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing with your loved ones. It will help me a lot. See you in the next video. God bless.